guys, now let's do a Q&A. So I'll ask a few questions and
Yes.
she'll reply. Okay.
Okay, yes.
Good morning guys. Welcome back to another vlog. I hope you are doing really well. मुझे देख रहे हो तो बढ़िया हो गए. तो भाई बोल रहे हैं इस हॉस्टल को भाई अब जा रहे हैं दूसरे हॉस्टल में. यहाँ पे थोड़ा जंगल है, ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं. व्यू अच्छा था. अब हम जा रहे हैं यहाँ से 15-20 किलोमीटर दूर. Good morning.
Good morning, guys. Today we have to check out and find a new place to stay because this is fully booked. And we want to go somewhere where it's a bit more busy because there's no one here. Look. Empty spaces.
भाई ये जगह तो बड़ी सही है, देख रहे हो व्यू प्यारा है, सब कुछ अच्छा है. अगर आपको चिल करना है ना, इससे बढ़िया जगह नहीं है. बट द थिंग इज काफ़ी खाली है.
It's called the Bucket List Hostel in
Vagador.
Vagador, Goa. So that would be like what, like 20 minutes from here?
So let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
We are a little confused. क्या करा
I'm hungry.
First tell me, Liz. How come you have so much energy in the morning? See, I'm really tired. You can see the tiredness from my face. You slept for 16 hours, right?
I didn't.
You slept for 16 hours.
I slept.
She slept at 10 and she woke up at like 10, 12 hours, right? Huh?
Maybe I was still on my phone in the evening and I didn't sleep.
Okay, then let's go. बोल देते इस हॉस्टल को बाय. Okay, bye hostel, bye.
Bye.
सही था यार, इसकी रील बना के दे दी है मैंने इन्हें सुबह आज. अब चलते हैं दूसरे में.
Also, look, this is my new T-shirt.
Oh, looking nice.
I'm wearing this for the first time.
It's looking nice on you. Where did you get it from?
And West Side in Bombay. Mumbai, not Bombay.
चलो भाई चलते हैं. यहाँ से गाड़ी करनी पड़ेगी क्योंकि मेरा लगेज भी इतना ज़्यादा है, इसका भी इतना ज़्यादा है. अब वागाटोर कोई हॉस्टल में जाके देखते हैं क्या सीन है. भाई एनर्जी भरी रहती है इस लड़की में, मैं बता रहा हूँ भाई. ये है ना भाई, ये खाते रहते हैं ना, चिकन विकन पेलते हैं इसलिए. चलो लगेज दे देंगे, कुछ खा पी के फिर निकलेंगे भाई. स्कूटी पे वापस देनी है.
So guys, today there's gonna be a storyline.
Yeah.
First, we're having breakfast. Then we're looking for another place to stay,
Yeah.
which is also closer to where I'm going tomorrow. Because tomorrow I will try on a sari. Isn't that cool? And then we will explore a new beach.
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah. Then.
And then surprise.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Trial guys, trial. First trial. Come till here.
Bye bye.
Break. Oh, भाई लेगी.
He's wearing his shirt inside out. Ha 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 ha. No, don't go so fast. No. Bloody hell.
भाई यहाँ पे ज़्यादा कुछ खाने का है नहीं, एक ही जगह है भाई. खाते हैं उस पर डोसा वोसा, फिर चलते हैं.
I need somebody help.
Guys, we are back to our favorite place. यहाँ पे हेल्दी है ही यार, और सबने यहाँ पे बेकार सा खाना है. ये सबसे हेल्दी है. So guys, this is my outfit for the day. Black shirt. Okay.
You're wearing your shirt inside out. You know that, right?
चलो भाई, शर्ट पता मैंने क्यों पहन रखी है. हाथ देखो, देख रहे हो? यहाँ से देखो और यहाँ से देखो. शेड डिफरेंस इतना हो जाता
Oh,
है.
are you flexing?
No, I'm not flexing. I'm just showing them my tan.
Okay. Okay, guys.
Yeah.
This is the first time ever trying upma in Goa.
मेरा तो 3rd-4th टाइम है, मैंने भी ज़्यादा नहीं खाया भाई.
Okay. So it looks like some type of
We have to do
porridge.
cheers. We have to do cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah.
It looks like some type of porridge with a bay leaf or something.
Yeah.
And then of course
Coconut chutney.
chutney. But no samba this time. Just chutney. It's a bit like idli.
No, it's tastier than idli.
Better than idli.
Yeah.
You don't like idli?
No, I like this more.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's tasty.
There's more spices.
बढ़िया भाई, खाना बढ़िया है यहाँ का. तगड़ा खाना भाई.
Guys, we're eating dosa again. Dosa with the potato stuff.
Dosa is love, guys.
It's my new favorite dish. I love it.
Because there's no restaurant around. We have to come here. So that's the only thing we can eat.
Is there really no restaurant around?
यही है भाई, अब ये खाना पड़ रहा है. But चीज़ अच्छी है. It's a nice stuff. We can have it daily.
Yeah.
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 Please open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. It's a snack. Yeah, we have to. Jeera. It's cumin.
Guys. The scooty seat is so hot. I'm burning my ass right now. It's so hot in the sun. I was standing in the sun.
तो भाई स्कूटी आज तक ही थी, इसको वापस करना है। करूँगा उससे बात। वाघा टोर तक जाना है। कैब कितने की होती है भाई? बहुत महंगी कैब है, 1000-1200 रुपये 20 किलोमीटर के।
Yeah.
भाई क्या महंगी कैब है यहाँ पे, 50 रुपये किलोमीटर ले रहे हैं भाई ये। अब यहाँ से वाघा टोर जाना है बस 20 किलोमीटर। पता है कितने कह रहे हैं? गैस करो। मेरे से ज़्यादा नहीं, 1400 रुपये दे दो। ज़्यादा नहीं, 1400 रुपये। चंडीगढ़ पहुँच जाऊँ मैं दिल्ली से 1400 रुपये में यार। ये Liz,
Yes.
what's happening? Why are you so sad? You are sad.
The thing is, I am waiting for the hotel collaboration to get confirmed, and then we can go there. But first, I have to wait.
Yeah.
And now, this is something that's very, very difficult for Utkarsh. He doesn't know how to wait.
Really guys, I don't know how to wait. तुम्हारा भाई तुम्हें पता है कितना जोश में रहता है, यहाँ करो, ये करो, वो करो। क्या करें भाई अब? तो भाई ये हमारे भाई शामिलित हैं सारे भाई। मैं कहूँ सारे भाई शामिलित है, वीडियो बना रहा हूँ। पहला भाई कहाँ थे तुम? देहरादून, फिर ऋषिकेश, फिर गोवा।
नहीं, पहले देहरादून, फिर मसूरी, फिर ऋषिकेश, फिर शिवपुरी से 40 किलोमीटर ऊपर, फिर वापसी में हरिद्वार। हरिद्वार से 8 बजे शाम को शामली पहुंचे और एक गाड़ी से 8 बजे उतरे, 9 बजे गोवावाड़ी में बैठ गए।
शामली में जीना लगता है
कचहरी में जी लगे भाई मारा।
कह रहे कोर्ट कचहरी में जी लगा भाई। बढ़िया भाई, क्या बारी है, आधे घंटे में भाई इतने बैठ जाते लिस्ट के साथ। डराता हूँ।
So now you finally don't have to wait anymore because the deal is closed. We're going to the hotel.
तो guys, now Liz will teach me few basic steps जब तक हमारी कैब आ रही है। I just told them you will teach me some basic dance steps now.
No, I don't know how to dance.
So I'll dance, you have to just copy, okay?
Okay.
इश्क तेरा तड़पा। Many of the comments are like, Liz, tell us why you're not coming to our state. Everyone is calling you to their state. Come to Assam, come to Jammu Kashmir, come to Rajasthan. तुम्हारे वहाँ पे लड़के नहीं है क्या तो इसको बुला रहे हो? What do you want to say to them?
I want to go everywhere.
Yeah, but the time is the limit,
But
guys.
the government needs to give me a visa extension for half a year. I want
Yeah.
half a year. But they always say less.
Guys, our cab person is taking so long.
Utkarsh is the least patient person I met in my whole life.
पेशेंस नहीं है भाई, हर चीज़ जल्दी होनी चाहिए। अमीर बनना जल्दी, जी वैगन चाहिए जल्दी भाई, समझ रहे हो?
Okay, we're saying bye to this view now.
And we are having better view than this.
We're going to a really nice place now.
भाई वो हॉस्टल भी बढ़िया है यार, इसी प्रॉपर्टी का है दूसरा हॉस्टल, उसकी भी एक रील बनानी है। भाई शर्ट पहन लेते हैं यार, बस टी शर्ट में गर्मी लग रही थी भाई। और भाई सुबह सुबह बेदखल कर दिया था हमारे हॉस्टल वालों ने हमें कि गाइस आज यहाँ पे आपका चेकआउट है, आपको हमारी दूसरी ब्रांच में जाना है। ठीक है भाई, चले जाएंगे, इतनी प्यार से कह रहे हो तो स्टाइल नहीं मार रहा, दूसरी साइड से गलत पहन ली थी गाइस। तो भाई चले जाएंगे भाई। हॉस्टलर जो है ना, मैं तुम्हें बता रहा हूँ, हॉस्टल अगर आप रुकते हो, दो सबसे बड़ी ब्रांड है, हॉस्टल और हॉस्टल। हॉस्टल बड़ा महंगा होता है, 2,500-3 हज़ार का। ये जो है ना हॉस्टल, ये हो जाता है 500, 600, 700, 800, 1000। तो अभी हॉस्टल की कोलैब आई नहीं, अभी हॉस्टलर की आई है, धीरे धीरे हॉस्टलर की भी आ जाएगी। कैसा लग रहा है आउटफिट? ढीले भाई ढीले, लचकते रहो मटकते रहो। ओके गाइस, भाई जाते जाते सोच रहा हूँ यहाँ पे पूल में नहा ही लेता हूँ एक बार, अभी टाइम है कैब आने में। पानी गर्म है यार बटे।
हाँ, पानी गर्म
है ना भाई के डोले वोले बन रखे हैं, वो यूं तो करते थे भाई, दिखाते थे
भाई अपने कुछ नहीं है
भाई, नहीं
यहाँ तो लोग कुछ नहीं बनते।
अभी छह दुकानों पे तो सील लगाई कल परसों में।
दोबारा
पता नहीं तुझे
कौन सी पे?
कल परसों में
तो भाई हमारे भाई है सामली था, वो ऐसा फालतू बोल गया।
गोली चलेगी दाएं से, गांड बाएं से।
गोली चलेगी दाएं से। ओ भाई, ओ
दुनिया जाए भाड़ में, बापे चले पहाड़ में।
बट भाई मोर्स तो यही भाई काटन लग रहे हैं। हम सोच के आते हैं गोवा जाए ना जाए 10 बार सोचना पड़ता है।
क्योंकि गोवा प्लान ही कैंसिल होने के लिए बना करे बहन का लौड़ा।
यूँ कि हम शामली आए जी सा करके गोवा जाने का चले गए भाई। बढ़िया
करोड़ों में देख के पहले अब तो छोड़ रखो सारे गाँव।
एक्चुअली यार जिन्ना होती है।
बच्ची भाई तुम्हें खाना फोन ले जाओ ये वाटर पहुंच गया थोड़ा।
मौज काटो भाई। एक जिंदगी बता दो रहा हूँ तुम्हें, सच्ची बता रहा हूँ। पता नहीं फिर तुम कब जवान होगे भाई। फोन नहीं जाने दूंगा पानी में। भाई साहब छठी क्लास से स्विमिंग सीख रखी है तुम्हारे भाई ने। ओ भाई मज़ा आ गया भाई। क्या आने वाली है 5 मिनट में। भाई साहब बेइज्जती हो जाएगी गाना खुल गया तो। मज़ा आ गया भाई, मजाक नहीं कर रहा भैया। हॉस्टल बड़ा बढ़िया था आपका, ताली दो। एक नंबर स्टे भाई, सच्ची बता रहा हूँ। खाना थोड़ा ख़राब था वरना और सब बढ़िया। पानी में कई बार वाटर कूलर में पानी नहीं था सुबह, और सब कुछ बढ़िया।
वो सुबह सुबह ऊपर निकले
बढ़िया था भाई, वो सीरियस नोट। मज़ा आ गया नहा के भाई। अब भी कैब वाला नहीं आया, घंटा हो गया। लिज बैठी है कुछ खा रही है, चलते हैं भाई। भैया आउटफिट कैसा लग रहा है भाई? बढ़िया। 2 कूड़े मैग ना, 4 जी बैग ना। ओके पाजी, थैंक्स फॉर द स्टे भाई। चलो चलो भाई, लेट्स गो। So guys, now we are going to the another property of the hostler, so we'll have fun there. Oh. Asagoa. It's nearby Vagato, so we'll be going there. भाई वो शामली के भाई बढ़िया था, मजा। हर दूसरी लाइन में गाली, तेरी भाड़ की, तेरी वो आगे, तेरी चाची। मैं भाई रुक जाओ, मेरे वैसे है फैमिली ब्लॉग्स हैं। कह रहा चाल लड़ने दे, कुछ ना होता। ठीक है भाई, चाल लड़ने दो, कुछ ना होता। You know what I'm trying to say?
No.
Like Goa is really pretty. I was saying this. Is it?
Yes.
She's always like, whenever you see her face, if you are sad, guys, I'm telling you, if you ever see Liz walking on the street, you'll be happy because she'll be like, oh, hi guys, hi guys. It's a really good thing. So if you're sad, your day is not going good, you don't have the patience, you should still be happy. You know, you should not be like sometimes like me because I get irritated. Yeah.
Emotional Delhi boy.
Emotional animal because I'm
Yeah.
emotional animal.
Yeah, you are very emotional. You are very emotional. You know he's.
थोड़ा सा.
Yeah. He's very emotional.
Goa is on, guys. Goa is on.
Guys, we're going to a really, really nice hotel now. It looks super beautiful in the pictures and the videos that we've seen so far. So let's hope it looks like this in real life. I hope so.
वो hostel photo में तो बढ़िया लग रहा है भाई.
But
And
I
let's
think-
go and check.
Yeah. But I think you've realized that my video editing skills are not the most professional. So you will see how it really looks.
भाई 18 किलोमीटर के we are giving 1,000 rupees. So see how much cab is
Also, this is
expensive.
how Goa really looks.
Yeah.
North Goa. So we're in Mandrim.
Mandrim. Yeah.
Mandrim. And we're going to, what's it called? Asago.
Asagua.
Asagao.
It's a bit south, yeah.
Asagoa.
Asagua.
Yeah.
So south, completely south is really far, but still we are in the northern part of Goa, which is
Yeah.
quite chill.
Because tomorrow I will try on the sari. And that's really close to that hostel actually. Hotel.
Yeah.
Mix. It's like a
Yeah.
hotel hostel kind of thing.
Yeah.
They have like private rooms, nice rooms.
As well as hostels.
They even have rooms with a jacuzzi in there. I hope we get that. I hope so. If not, that's fine. But if yes, that's great. But they also have dorms. So
Yeah.
it's like a mix of both.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So guys, now let's do a Q&A. So I'll ask a few questions and
Yes.
she'll reply. Okay.
Okay, ask me questions.
So yeah. So you tell me one thing, Liz. Sometimes you must be feeling creepy because most of the guys look at you. Tell me honestly, because it's a thing in India. Guys look at a good-looking girl, but there are different ways to look. If you're looking at her and just moving your eyes away, that's a nice way. But people keep staring. So yeah.
Yeah, that's true. So sometimes it's something that's really weird is if I walk somewhere and then everybody just stares.
Okay.
And then I look back at people and they don't look away. They just keep looking at me like this.
मैं नाटा हूँ Liz, मैं नाटा हूँ.
And they don't change mimic, like they don't like smile or say, oh hi. They just look like this.
ताड़ना मतलब.
So that is really, really weird. That is strange as. But yeah, if people just look and then look away, it's whatever. It's fine.
Okay. But okay, this question is done. Second question. So, like, you must be getting so many comments like, try this food, try that food.
Yeah.
So, like, does spicy food is like suiting you? Like, because I've heard like foreigners can't eat spicy food because it's not meant for you. Your food is really bland outside. Yeah.
So, I love spicy food.
Yeah.
That's why I have a series going on called the Spicy Challenge. So I always chase the spiciest food in India.
Yeah.
And I wanna like, I don't know why. It's something that's maybe a bit like weird about me, but I like if food like fucks me up. I like when I have to suffer.
So guys, you can check that spicy challenge on our YouTube page. It's live.
So tell me, like when you tell me to try food, tell me the spicy food. Like I want like with a lot of chili, ginger, you know, all that stuff.
सबसे तड़कता भड़कता
Everything
बता दो
that
भाई. तो
burns.
खाते ही ना मैं बता रहा हूँ इसकी ऐसी तैसी होता है. ऐसा बता दो. कुछ ऐसा पाव भाजी बताइए मैंने इसे.
And I love cumin. Speak English. This is
Okay.
Q&A for me.
So guys, cumin, you know, cumin jeera. Okay, you like cumin?
Cumin is the same as jeera.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah. Now next question. Okay, Liz. So Liz, tell me, like some of the guys are commenting like, Liz, are you a singer? Are you a model? Are you a vlogger? Who is Liz? If someone wanna know you from within, like I'm Utkarsh, I'm really friendly guy. I'm like bhaiyo ka bhai. What are you? Like Liz, if you have to give your personality in 2-3 statements.
Yeah. So I'm a singer. That's how I actually started doing YouTube. I just posted my songs. I was singing, doing music videos, all this type of stuff. And then I started vlogging. I don't even know how I started. I just did it. So now I do that and singing, and I'm a singer. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
And a foodie for sure.
And she's a emoji queen, I'm telling you. Like, you have seen that video, right? You can tell her the face, like she can make anything of her face. Really. So yeah, next question is like when you were coming here, most of the people like in your country must have said like, why are you going there? India is not safe. India is not safe.
Yeah.
So now your view is completely changed about it. Or
I mean, to be honest, I always knew that there's prejudice about countries that not many people travel to, or
Okay.
because India is such a huge country, right? You have how many people do you have? How many inhabitants? Like more than 1 billion, right?
more than 1 billion, yeah.
Yeah.
1.3 billion, yeah.
So for me, it was obvious that not the whole country, everything is dangerous, but of course, there's a lot of headlines going on. If there's so many people, I mean, population-wise, it's the biggest country in the world. You guys
Right,
surpassed China, right?
Yeah.
So I knew, okay, of course, there's a lot of everything gonna happen. There's a lot of dangerous things happen. There's a lot of good things happening. There's a lot of nice people. There's a lot of bad people because there's just so many people. So yeah, I mean, obviously I'm solo traveling, but when I arrived, I didn't come all by myself. So like I'm visiting, in the beginning I was visiting one of my best friends here, so I knew I have somewhere to go. I have like a local person that can help me. And now I'm traveling by myself alone. But in Bangalore, I was staying with a friend, so I had a good
I met a
feeling.
friend. He's really nice.
Yeah.
He's a CEO, guys. Chief Operating Officer, you know?
No, COO.
CEO, Chief Operating Officer.
Yeah. Oops.
I've done MBA, Liz.
Huh?
I'm an MBA grad. You know that, right?
You're what?
I'm an MBA grad. I've done my MBA. You know that, right?
MBA? Oh no, you never told me.
I told you that.
No.
I used to work in a company. I told you that.
Oh, you did tell me.
Yeah. And she's telling me the full form of CEO. My target was to become a CEO, and she's telling me what is the full form of CEO. Okay. So now, how's your life? She also used to work in a company, guys. I also used to work in a company. Now we both are traveling. We are making vlogs.
Yeah.
So are you getting it? So it's not like we haven't worked in a company and we are just vlogging. We have seen that life. We are seeing this life.
I've worked in 3 startups already.
I've worked in 4.
And I had my own business too.
Yeah.
I still have it actually.
And I've worked in 4 companies. I'm doing modeling. So that it's not like you can only do one thing in your life. You can do whatever you feel like. Like you have limited days in your life. But in your 20s, you should explore. What do you want to say on this?
Agree. But what I do think is very important is that you don't try so much to do what you think you have to do or what people expect you to do, but what you really, really like, because then you have so much energy to put all your time into it, and then you're gonna be great. If you do something you don't like, you're always forcing yourself, you're always procrastinating, always distracted, or you're unhappy doing it. I'm gonna get cash now.
Where are you going? You're leaving me alone. Oh, you're
No,
going to the
getting
ATM.
cash.
Okay. Money. She's rich, guys. She's rich. I told you, right?
Yeah.
Very rich. So, guys, this is the hostel we are going in.
No, it's a hotel.
Okay. Oh, this seems nice.